Suppose the input in the form of X and Y. So the output will be X plus Y, and you can put a small circle around this plus sign like this. This is the operator of exclusive OR. Now if I write down all the combination of input 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 0 0. So you can see odd number of
0 0 is repeated.
Oh, by mistake I had 1 1. So you can see in this case odd number of 1 is there. In this case odd number is 1 is there. So the output will be 1 in this case, and all other output will be 0. Actually, one mistake is there. You should correct this mistake. The symbol of exclusive OR is like this. You should correct it, because there is no, because in this operation there is no not operation. So this exclusive OR gate symbol is like this. So please erase that not symbol. Not symbol is not there, because in this truth table you can see that not operator is not operating on these values. So not is not there. So in exclusive OR gate there is no not symbol. So you should correct this mistake. This is the symbol of exclusive OR, XOR. Because if you put a NOR not gate here, then it will become exclusive NOR actually. It is a exclusive OR gate. So please erase that symbol, not symbol, in the previous symbol. There is a no not symbol in this OR gate. This is the correct symbol of exclusive OR gate. Have you done? I hope you have corrected the symbol. No, not of gate is there in exclusive OR gate. Because if you put a not operator here, not gate here, it becomes exclusive NOR gate. Not OR gate, exclusive NOR gate.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, how many types of logic gates?
There are so many types of logic gates, but I think you have to learn up to exclusive OR, but I will explain the exclusive NOR gate also in your syllabus. You can see if I open your syllabus, the syllabus. I am opening the syllabus. So in your syllabus, not and or, NAND nor, and exclusive OR. So not is written here. Again, I think this is exclusive NOR gate. So you should note down exclusive NOR gate also, because this is again not is written in your syllabus. If by mistake it is maybe a misprinting in this syllabus. This is not a NOT gate, but actually it is a exclusive NOR gate. So write down one more gate. The name of that gate is exclusive NOR gate. It's called exclusive NOR gate. So it is an inverter of exclusive OR gate actually. So write down the X NOR gate is logically equivalent to an inverted NOR gate. Inverted exclusive OR gate, XOR gate actually. So XOR gate followed by NOR gate. So this gate produces 1. Output, and the input combination has even number of ones. So in exclusive OR gate, we have to check odd number of 1, then only it gives the output 1. And exclusive NOR gate, so even number of 1, then only it gives the output as 1. Have you noted down all these things in your notebook? Laksh? Laksh? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Have you noted down all these notes about more logic gates? Can you show me
Yes,
your
sir.
copy in front of you? You can put your copy. Can you show me your copy? Please turn on your camera and show me your notebook.
सर स्क्रीनशॉट लिए हैं सर इसका
You are not writing in the class 1 notebook? So where is your class 1 notebook? I am giving sufficient time to note down the notes in your class 1 notebook. So whenever you are attending any online class, please be ready with your class 1 notebook so that you can note down the notes as I taught you in the classroom. So during the teaching, if you note down the notes, it will be better for you. So don't use any shortcuts that recording this video or taking a screenshot or with the help of camera you are shooting the picture, because this is an online class. So during a class you should have ability of noting down the notes in your class 1 notebook. Otherwise you will face the pending work. Every day you will think about I will note down later. It is not possible because there are so many classes of other subjects physics is there, chemistry is there, maths is there. So during the classroom, if you note down all the notes, it will be better for you. You can maintain your classwork notebook very easily. So I am giving you sufficient adequate time to note down the notes. So let's draw the symbol of this exclusive NOR gate. So in the pen brush, I will draw this gate. You know this how to draw the exclusive OR gate. This is exclusive OR gate. Any number of input you can pass inside this exclusive OR gate, and one NOT symbol is there. So it becomes exclusive NOR gate. That in short, it is called XNOR. So I recommend that during the class, you should note down what I say you to note down. What I say you to draw, you should create, you should draw during the online classroom. So that you don't have to waste your time later. So have you draw this gate in your notebook? Because in between the class, I can ask you to show your notebook in front of camera, then you have to show your notebook. So I hope you have drawn this symbol in your notebook. Now let's write down the truth table of this exclusive NOR gate. Suppose the input is in the form of X and Y, and output is represented by suppose F 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. So you can see even number of where is the even number of 1, you can see in this case only even number of 1. This case also you can consider, because no 1 is there, then it means there are even number of 1. So this case will also produce 1, and this case will also produce 1. All other case will produce the 0. So this is the truth table of exclusive NOR gate. Mayurika, hello.
Yes, sir.
Are you ready with your notebook? Can you show me your notebook? Can you turn on your
Yes,
camera?
sir.
Okay. Place your notebook in front of camera so that I can see. Yes, very good. Okay. Yes, I have seen. So whenever you are attending the class, be ready with your notebook and pen so that you can write down simultaneously as I taught you something. Whatever I want to write, you should write in your notebook. So this is all about the gates, extra gates. So yesterday I also told you about some gates. Today I also explain about some gates. So can you type inside the chat box the number of gates I have taught you or the name of all the gates? Can you type inside the chat box the name of all the gates? Please type inside the chat box the name of all the gates, all the logic gates. These logic gates are used to create logic circuit inside a computer. So write down the name of all the gates. What are the name of all gates? 7 gates. Okay. What are those? They? I want you to type the name of gates. For example, NOT gate, like this, NOT. Type the gate in capital letter only, not and or nor. Mayank Jode is written not and or nor, NAND, or exclusive nor. Okay, correct. Mayurika is also writing. Okay, so these are the gates, and based on those gates, you have to solve any problem given to you. For example, if I said, let's take one problem. If I said to draw a logic circuit diagram, so I will ask any one of you to show me your copy. I am writing one Boolean expression here, and based on that Boolean expression, you have to draw the logic circuit in your notebook, and then you can show me your notebook. Whoever I ask, that student has to show his or her notebook. So write down one question. Draw a logic circuit diagram for the following Boolean expression. So number one is A dot B plus C. So I am giving you 30 seconds. Within 30 seconds, please draw the gate for this Boolean expression A dot B plus C. And whoever I ask, he or she has to show me his or her notebook. So I'm giving you 30 seconds. Please draw the logic circuit diagram for this Boolean expression A dot B plus C. Let's see whether you are able to draw the correct logic diagram or not. I am giving you 30 seconds. The expression is A dot B plus C. So I can give you a hint. You can use a OR gate for plus and a NOT gate for a AND gate for dot. Others? Others?
Yes, sir.
Have you drawn that logic circuit for A dot B plus C in your notebook?
Yes, sir.
Show me your notebook. Let's see.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good, very good.
Thank you.
Yes,
Sir.
I had seen. So Lakshya sir has drawn the logic circuit. I hope all of you have also drawn the same logic circuit. So you know that for this B plus C, you can use OR gate. So in this way, you can create OR gate. So B, this is B, and this is C, and the output of B plus C, and then A, and then you can draw AND gate here like this. Had any student draw in another way? This is one of the way you can draw the logic circuit. Is there any other way you can suggest? Okay, I hope you are drawn in this way only. Let's take another question. Draw the logic circuit for Wx complement plus Y complement and Z. Draw the logic circuit of this Wx complement plus Y complement Z. I am giving you 30 seconds. Draw the logic circuit diagram for this Boolean expression Wx complement plus Y complement Z. Adarsh? Adarsh?
Yes, sir.
Have
Yes, sir.
have you draw the logic circuit for this expression Wx complement plus Y complement Z?
Yes, sir. Draw it.
Please show me your notebook. Turn on your
Yes, sir.
camera and show me your notebook.
Yes, sir. I can show.
Yes, very good. Exactly. It is correct. Very good, Adarsh.
Thank
I
you,
had
sir.
seen. So I hope all of you have drawn this type of logic circuit. So you have to use the OR gate, the AND gate. These are the two AND gates, suppose, like this. Two AND gate and one OR gate. And W is the input for this AND gate and one more input X complement. So you know that Complement of X is denoted by this NOT gate. And then Y. Complement. And then Z. So this is the logic circuit diagram for this Boolean expression Wx complement plus Y complement Z. So this type of question can be asked in your examination. You must practice, you must remember about each and every gate. In the next class, I will explain about some laws of Boolean algebra. So be ready with that laws of Boolean algebra. On internet also, you can search the contents about logic gates. You can take down the notes from internet also. You can see the symbol of logic gates. If I display some images of logic gates, you can see. You can make a chart at your home and you can paste that chart which contains the logic gates name and the symbol and the Boolean expression and the truth table. So this type of chart you can create at your home also, and you can paste that chart at any place in your wall. In your study room, you can place that chart so that you can remember the output and input of each and every gate. So this type of chart you can create. For this type of chart, so many charts you can search on the internet. Very nice charts are available, videos are available about logic gates. You can take the help of those videos also. And you can make one project also in which the gates are represented and the input and output is represented by any LED lights. So you can take this as a project also. You can see the calculators function based on the logic gates. It can make addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. This type of project you can create as your science project, in which you can show the working of each and every gate. Look at this logic gates board. You can get this board from online shopping sites. You can create this type of board on your own also. So this may be a very good science project. You can see NOT and OR, the working of NOT and OR is described here in this type of electronic model. So I recommend you to create a chart of all logic gates and their names and their truth tables and paste it on your wall so that you can remember the working of each and every gate. So I hope it is enough for today now. I will assign any questions in your classroom, so keep regularly check any assignment is given in your classroom or not. So you can also ask any question related to the gates or about online class or a computer science subject. You can ask any question. If anybody want to ask any question related to this computer science subject, timetable, practical, syllabus, etc., he or she can ask any question which is arises in your mind. So almost 13 students are attending this class. 15 members it is showing. It is including the presentation also. Now I stop presenting the screen. Now any question you can ask if you want to. I think no question you want to ask. Now I request you all that you can leave the class by clicking on that leave call button, which is located between the microphone and the web camera.